Hold on, Bubs. Let's go, Yonka. Down the hill, preferably.
Sucks to walk back up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start from the high point.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Get on that one, son.
Yeah, now that might be something worth recording watching Mamaw sled.
You broke this one already. Get on this one. I'm gonna go right next to you.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
You'll just go. Ready? Put your feet.
Hold on to it and then lean back.
Feet in there. Ready? We're ready.
They're going right into that icy hole. Hold up, Bub. You're doing great. You're doing great.
What happened, dude?
They got gloves on for you?
Yeah, they all do.
Okay.
Bubby, go with Tiffany. She gonna show you a little hill. Oh, he wants to go up the big one again. He's an adventurer, Tiffany.
Huh?
Talking to Tiffany. He wants to go back down the big hill. Jasmine's got her own path going over there. That one's what are you doing over there? I want to go. Go over there. Yep. Bubby, take Bebe out. Bubby, crash into Bebe. Get on with Daddy. Oh my gosh, Tiffany and Kristen are going to go together too. Oh my gosh, look at Jasmine fly. Ah. Tiffany and Kristen down there are hilarious. Jasmine, go back down the big hill again. I want to see you. Good job, Jazzy Jew.
They tried to put Bebe on that.
Bebe's not going to stay on that.
My lungs are hurting. It's a struggle to breathe. I can't walk anymore. Somebody left one up here.
Yeah, go and use that one.
No, I mean my lungs hurt. I need a haircut.
I'll bring you one.